It is Thursday, February the 4th. Just a quick walk around. Lots going on today. We're having the molding, which is this, being installed today. You can see an example of it up there. It's going to have an LED light strip on the top. The mini splits have been installed. The flooring looks pretty good. They finished the living room, dining room, and kitchen. Looks good. So just a little quick update. Everybody's getting ready to install the molding for the lights. The HVAC guys are moving right along. They're taking the heat recovery ventilator, which is this device, in and out. It's going to be installed up here because those are the pipes that do the intake and the outtake. Getting some straps put up there to hold the HRV up there. Should look pretty cool. Gonna drill some holes here to get condensate pipe and power up to the HRV. Yeah.
Which way you got that hook facing? Outward? Perfect.
I feel much taller when I'm up here. I don't know why. Yeah. Different perspective. I just noticed how dirty it is up here. Oh God, what a terrible housekeeper I am. So we're gonna go a little higher, a little higher. And this is pretty good because I'm afraid of heights. I'll just act like I'm not high. Yeah. Looks good. Like I said, this is just a little update. We're supposed to get snow today, 4 to 5 inches. It's Wisconsin. It's supposed to snow. So we're making progress. Flooring, HVAC is being finished. They are with the mini split, which is basically a heat pump. They're doing what's called an evacuation. They put it on suction, negative pressure, because that helps draw out any air. That's the unit for the mini split. It's one big ass unit. They're apparently incredibly quiet. They told me that if this surface it's on gets a little off kilter, they'll come out and re-level it. They do not hang it on walls because it's apparently too heavy. So if I were to do this again, I would clearly make sure ahead of time that the wall was built to support it. But hindsight is 2020. Kettle Moraine Heating and Air Conditioning. They're the guys doing the HRV, the whole house dehumidifier, and the mini split. Lot going on. I guess I bought a lot more flooring than I needed, but I can take it back to Home Depot. So just cruising around. Here's Jack again. When anything goes wrong, we throw him under the bus. The lights in the closet actually turned out pretty well. Most lights are installed in the ceiling, which always struck me as odd because then you get a lot of shadows coming down. So I had him put the LED light strip vertical so that, as you can see, the whole space is illuminated. I think it's going to work out well. Bathroom, nothing unusual here. They're getting ready to do the third bedroom / study / computer room. All the appliances have arrived, not here, but they're at Best Buy. Yeah. So just taking a peek around the place. I think the flooring looks great. Boy, it is dusty in these places when they're doing construction. The master bedroom looks a little messy. Flooring's in. Windows open because obviously tons of heat. I may close it a little bit. We don't have much sun, and therefore we probably don't need as much cool air as we would if the sun was out. We'll see what the temperature is right here. It's 62, sort of what I thought. The closet, once again, the light strip is mounted there as opposed to in the ceiling. Because if it's in the ceiling, it just drops down and creates shadows. If it's there, it will shine on the clothes in the closet system here as opposed to shining down. We'll see how that works out. Yeah. Cover plate for the TV power. We have antenna with an RJ6. We have some Cat 6 cabling. The light for the tornado room. Nathan's doing as usual. Closet, you once again see the light mounted in a different location. Most people, like I said, found it up here, which just casts a lot of shadows. You'd really like to have the light here so the light projects down into the shelves here. The mechanical room. This is the hardware that controls the mini split. This is where all the fluid's circulating. Nicely done. Nice plate. Typical artwork that these guys do. They're really fanatical about the curves and the turns and the location. And frankly, I love it. Going up into the pipes, going up into the mini splits, which you've seen in the different rooms. Yeah, let's see what the furnace is doing. It's on. We must have pressed a button. I have no idea how to get it back to where it was. We have power pretty much in the entire house. I should be able to turn on this light. Oh yes, that's a very bright closet. Yeah. Love those LED lights. They really crank it out. And turn off the switch. Yeah, looks good. There's Dan. He's a consultant finish carpenter. He had some great ideas about doing the molding, which is going to hold the LED lights. We're not going to cut the molding at Dan's suggestion. He said, why cut off ½ an inch when all you're getting is 6 versus 6.5? It makes perfect sense. So we're going to run that all the way around the perimeter, down the hallway, all this direction. Oh, Lance, my contractor, plus his kids. They're cute as buttons. So it looks good. I'll talk to you later. Stay safe.